Just from September till the end of the year, so just these 4 months, and white truffle grows down on the valley. So black are more on high levels, and the white truffles are down. And the white truffles, they are divided in 4 different classes. Third class are the smallest truffles, second class are a little bit bigger, first class are more bigger, and the highest class from 100 grams to more, maybe a little bit bigger than this one, we call joker, like jackpot, yes. And the price is also like this. So the price for the white truffle is from 500 euros for the smallest truffle, and it goes up to 5,000 euros for a kilo if we have truffle which are so big, if we have a joker. So we can say that white truffles are 10 times more expensive than the black truffles are. Is butter, then fresh truffles sliced, then eggs. It goes 2 eggs per person, and in the end, when the eggs are almost done, we will put Parmesan cheese. So all the ingredients need to be very, very fresh if you want to have a good scrambled eggs. When the butter is melted, then we will add eggs inside, and on the end Parmesan cheese, and of course more truffles when it will be done. It will be a truffle bomb. Did you try scrambled eggs like this?
No.
With truffle?
Via Candy, via Candy. Bravo, bravo, via. Su. Dai. Candy, Rosy. Su Lela, su. Su Lela, su. Su Lela, su. Su Lela, su. Bravo Lela.